Nice. Quick with your hands.
It's been a long time.
Good. Get over. Now you had him.
What happened?
You had him. Why'd you come back over? So just rip through. Yes. You just rip through instead of coming back over.
You see how that allows you to see more? Yeah, good. Good. You had a good thought. You had a good thought.
Balance. Be faster than him.
Good. There you go. Good. Good finish. Nice, Nick. There you go. Rip through.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hustle back. Something different.
You see what I'm saying? Okay.
Hey, be quick. You gotta use your
We've been out here.
It's set, guards. There you go. Now rip through.
There you go. Good shot.
Come on, Alex. Let's see. See you good.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
Hey, the whole idea is get
Every time.
Sit on it.
Good.
Hustle back. Hustle back.
I love the postman still up.
Move it. Slide. Good. Oh.
Start was great.
Sit on it. There you go.
Rip up.
Stay on your feet now.
Keep working. You gotta keep working. Good job, Alex. Alex, not so high. Good, Alex, good.
Inside.
There you go, man. Good job. Don't move. See your hand.
Aaron.
There you go.
Come on, Aaron.
You got it. Oh! Stay back. Yeah, stay back. Yeah.
Oh, man. Move your feet. Yeah.
Both of you, watch your hands.
Freeze.
Sorry, I got mixed up.
Oh, you're good, leader. Go ahead. Once, I'm not
I don't see no power rush.
Let's go. Posture, guard. Posture.
Good. Nice.
Damn!
Check that, huh? Damn, that bull can move. Come on, Nick. I know you got that speed from your mom. Your mom's speed. Come on, Nick.
There you go.
Tip too much.
He dipped the shoulder.
You should have just kept that power push.
I see you dipping.
Good.
Move your feet.
Whatever.
He read that one. He knew he was going there to set him up.
There you go.
Bull rush.
Pick him up. I got bull rush. Come on now.
Watch the inside. Square, watch the inside.
Don't go back to offense. You gotta stay over here, man.
There you go. Finish. Finish.
Stay with him. Stay with him.
Don't forget that's your brother, okay? Come on, brother.
Finish. Finish.
There you go.
Are you going in?
Super guy.
Square, don't lean.
Good.
I see that rip.
Get him, Nahi.
Dang.
Oh, never mind, Nahi.
He's like, son, out.
George. Come on, George. Play football. Come on, George.
Get off of him now. Hey,
Good.
hey.
I could have grabbed him.
You feel it.
Yeah.
Come
Outside, come on, George.
I can't finish trying to stab.
There you go. Slide.
There you
Hey! But they have 5 pancakes. He's won like all these reps. You sure you don't want to play D-line? Being a good lineman, you have to be a good lineman.
I'm telling you the truth. It's a freshman.
It's good work for a freshman.
Play with confidence. Let's go.
Good. Lisa, good. There you go. Good job.
Put it up.
Good job, boys.